Thank you very much for having me tonight. My name is Jordan, and I am a colleague of Miss Liza and her team. I know that you're already very excited to get to know each other on a deeper level with your fellowship night. So I will keep this very short. I will just be sharing two food for thought, something that you may want to think about in the next few hours. The first one is that this is the year of great miracles. Every year, the elders of Victory Church, which I attend, would pray for a word from God. Victory always has a word from God that is used as the central theme for the year. Last year, it was abide. Abide. The word reminded us to abide by God's word. After 32 years of having God's word for the year, 2023 was quite different. This is the first time Victory Church had the word miracle. First time. We are all reminded that with God, there's nothing is impossible. Miracles are a testimony of His power and His love. This year, let us claim the impossible to be possible with God. Jesus turned water into wine, raised the dead, fed 5,000 people with 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish. He instantly healed a blind man as well. According to scholars, there are a lot more miracles than the ones reported in the Bible. Whatever it may be, let us claim miracles in our lives and miracles in our work. We have a God bigger than our goals, bigger than our challenges. The second thing I want to share with you is the year 2011. December 2011. Some of you might not have been born yet, and some of you might still have been babies at the time. December 2011 was another challenging year for me. At that time, I had a very young family. Not being a college graduate was very difficult in those times. It takes a diploma to be able to land a decent job. I needed to make good living for my family, so I prayed to find a job abroad. God heard my plea and provided the opportunity. The largest commercial bank in Saudi Arabia was hiring 30 employees from the Philippines at the time, and they contracted EDI Staff Builder to advertise and filter the applicants. When I read about this news, I was in two minds. I tried to figure out if I should apply for the job or seek other opportunities. I prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed some more. I knew deep in my heart that if God is with me, there is nothing impossible for a high school graduate like me. The next day, I confided with a close friend and asked for his opinion. His name was Butch. Butch shared this Winston Churchill quote with me. It is the one that you see on your screen. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Butch asked me, what's the worst thing that can happen? I read the last phrase over and over and over again. It is the courage to continue that counts. I decided to continue and I applied. I prepared my favorite white polo shirt, dark blue slacks, my black leather shoes. The next day, I commuted to Makati for the interview. I felt that after the interview that hopefully it went well. One very long month after the interview, I received a letter saying that I was selected as one of the 30 and we were offered job offers. We were given job offers out of 300 applicants. This quote, the one on your screen, speaks to the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity. It emphasizes the importance of having courage to push forward and not giving up, no matter how difficult things may seem. We have all encountered difficult moments in life, But if we can approach each situation with a sense of courage, optimism, we can break through whatever obstacles stand in our way. Let us take the courage and determination to push forward, no matter what the outcome. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that count. If we keep focusing on the good, and especially in the good in others, recognizing our success and learning from our mistakes, then we can continue to be better, faster, and stronger, second to none. Thank you very much. I suggest that we use this opportunity to get to know each other at a deeper level. At the end of the day, we are one team. Have fun and enjoy your fellowship. Thank you so much.